Alright, decided to make a pit stop on my way to my next location. We're in the Mashamoquet, I believe, State Park. We're in northeastern Connecticut. I've never been here before. I saw it on the map last night when I was looking at stuff in the area. So we're gonna hike some of these trails and we're gonna see where this takes us. So like I said, this could be a deader or this could be something good. So alright, so I have to be somewhere at 12:30 today, and it's a little after 10, so we got some time to go. So alright, let me turn you around here. Alright, so let's go down here to this bridge. Pretty. This is a very pretty bridge. Pretty state park here. The stream. See what we can go. So, I'm just out exploring. This is not really sure where this is going. But we will. We'll walk. We're just out adventuring. Very pretty. So. A little rocky section here. So this is. Makes me feel like I'm back in Pennsylvania with these rocks. But up we go. I got some new equipment, which I'm going to try out tomorrow. I've got trekking poles that I got for Christmas, which I haven't had the chance to use yet. And I got some a base layer too, which is very, very warm. So, but we will go up here. There's a ridge up here, so we'll see. We will see where this goes. But this is a very, very, very peaceful back here. All right. So the other trail we were on was a dud. That took us to a campground. But this one is going to take us to some place called the Wolf's Den and Table Rock. It's about 1.5 miles, maybe about a 2-mile loop. So we'll do this and see where this leads instead. But yeah, the other path we were just on took us to a campground. It's very very nondescript, but we're at the top of a ridge. So we'll see. What this is. It's supposed to be pretty interesting as a point of interest. I'm not really sure what it looks like, but we will we'll find out here. So anyway, that's part of the fun of these little hikes. You explore places that you never been and look interesting. So that's what we are in. Let me get this name of this park correctly. We are in Mashamoquet Brook State Park and the Natchog State Forest, and this is in northeastern Connecticut, right by close to the Rhode Island border. So Alright, we will hike on this path and we'll see where this takes us. Alright, I've been hiking on this for a few minutes. Terrain's been pretty flat. It's rooty, but after the initial ascent up the mountain, the rest of the terrain's been pretty flat. As you can see, it is still winter here in Connecticut. No spring has not arrived yet. So walking through what looks like a dead forest. So yep, just tripped on a rock there. It's not fun. But yeah, be back. All right, we are starting to climb up a little bit here. So whatever it is, it's at the top of this ridge, but it's actually warmed up considerably. So this should be the wolf den up here. Hopefully it's not a den of wolves. But this whole land was named after the Native American tribes that inhabit this. So that's where the names come from. So I would imagine this is a Native American sacred place or something they held special to them. So we'll check it out here. And like I said, this whole loop's about 2 miles. First part starts out flat, and now we are climbing a little bit. So, it's a nice walk. Nice walk in the woods. Very peaceful. You can heard some woodpeckers earlier. But yeah, so we're just going along here, following the blue blaze. See the blue blaze? That's what we're following. Let's go up here, see it. We're following the blue blaze trees. So just staying on there and seeing where this takes us. Out exploring, out having an adventure. That's what it's all about. All right, we reached the top of the crest. So trail's really flat now. It's nice now. So we don't know the mileage yet, but we're definitely at the top of the hill. So I can see this trail's pretty well defined because it is a state park. So pretty well defined trail. Yeah, very pretty. Far, like I said, far away from any sort of civilization or the hustle and bustle. So, all right, we finally made it to the entrance of the wolf's den. It was right straight ahead there. That's where we're going. This is what's known as Wolf Den Drive. And then that's the trail we just came down. So we're gonna go down here and check out the wolf den. See what this is all about. Alright, let's see where this goes. I have no idea what this is, so let's see what this is down here, and then we'll head back on the loop. Still on the blue trail, still following that, but now it's actually a road walk. It's Back Forest Road. I think there's only like 0.4 of a mile back here, but we'll see. Hopefully this is Like I said, not really sure, but we are on an adventure. So, plus I have a map, so I won't be getting lost. I've picked up a trail map at the start of the hike, so, and then we're coming back a different way. All right, I'll talk to you when we get to the wolf's den. All right, so this is a camping area. I believe we're going down that way, straight ahead. It's where the wolf den and the table rock are. That looks intriguing, so we're gonna go down there in a second. But yeah, this is just a camping area. Let's take a look at the sign. All right, so this is where we are right here. All right, so here's the wolf den. So we're gonna walk down that path, and we'll see where that goes. I think that's where we want to go. So, all right, we're gonna go check that out. It's Table Rock, the wolf den, and whatever this is here, down to the lake. All right. All right, we are coming down here. The wolf den and the Indian chair. All right. So Table Rock's this way. So we'll go to the wolf den, Indian chair first, and then we'll come down to see the, and then we'll come down and see the Table Rock. So we're going down this way to the wolf den. Let's see what's down here. Going down, down, down. Yeah, I should have brought my trekking poles for these hills, but tomorrow I'm doing a 12-mile hike, so I'll bring them tomorrow and try them out there. This was unexpected. I'm just killing some time before I have to be at my next destination. So this was not something I planned to do, but like I said, we're just gonna. Here is the wolf den. Putnam and the wolf. Rope tied to her feet. With the torch again, with the musket, entered this cave, and by the light of her angry eyes, shot and killed the marauder, and entering a third time, dragged forth the body of the last wolf in Connecticut. This tablet is presented to the Elizabeth Porter Portman chapter of the Daughters of the American Revolution by the Colonel Daniel Portman Association and the Friends to preserve the memory of an act of courage and public service by a young farmer who was later in years won fame as a wise leader, a brave fighter, and a national hero. He dared to lead where others dared to follow. That is a good saying. So, it's looking like a little bit cave back here. Oh yeah, look at that. Cave in there. Let's see if I can go in here. There's probably some sort of animal in there. But let me see, zoom in. You can see the inside of the wolf den. It's probably yeah. Oh, well, that's cool. So this was the home of the last remaining wolf. Alright, well that's neat. Alright, on to the Indian chair is next. It's down this way. And then we'll go back up and go up to Table Rock, and then we'll head back to the... Alright, so we'll go down here to the Indian chair, see what this is all about. Let me get down here without tripping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's down. I think it might be down here. Let's see where we're going. Where we're going. All the way down. So this means this has to go all the way back up. We'll see what this Indian chair is all about down here. Alright, I'll be back when I get to the Indian chair. So we made it to Indian chair. It's a little bit longer of a hike than I thought. I believe this is the Indian chair here. Oh yeah. Sit down there. Nice place to have a, and we can sit down. Oh, look at the view. Not much of a view, but decent. Alright, so that was, so now we have to hike back up, but this is the area. It's the Indian chair right here. Well, alright, we made it to the wolf's den and Indian Rock, and whew, coming back up is a lot tougher than going down, so worked up a good workout. So now we're going back to down to Table Rock, and then we're going to head back to the car and head off to the next adventure. But man, I'm out of breath, I'm out of shape. It's been 4 or 5 months since I've been out hiking on the trail, so, but we'll get there. We're training for Mount Whitney in July, so good training. So, all right, on to Table Rock. All right, so here's an interesting little thing I came across. Looks like an old well out here in the middle of the forest. You can see it's all covered up with, but yeah, it looks like it's that's a well, but it's been all the trees and branches in there. But anyway, that's pretty neat. We're just walking along here. Yeah. the things you find in the forest. I'm just heading back, just got back from Table Rock and just heading back to the car, so. All right, so we've reached the end of this hike. This is the Mashamoquet Brook State Park. This is in Pomfret, Connecticut. Overall, it's okay hike. The terrain was very, very uninteresting. Just through woods. I mean, it's not spring yet, so there's no flowers or anything. The wolf's den was interesting. I don't know if it was worth the hike itself. Indian Chair was cool, and Table Rock was just a rock, a big giant rock. I thought maybe there'd be a lookout or something, but that's it. I'll show you the route we took then. So, all right. So this is the map. All right, so this is where we started. So we came all the way down here, the Blue Chair. We're all the way down here to Indian Chair. Came back up here, the Wolf Den, went to Table Rock, and we came back to the Red Trail, and then down here is the car. So that's where we are. We'll go that way, back to US 44, and on to the next destination. So, all right, that'll wrap it up for this adventure. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, let me know. Of course, I'll get better at doing these videos, but until next time, I will see you on the road, and may all your adventures be fun, and make sure you're living your best life. All right? Until the next adventure, bye-bye.